All right, y'all. Back at you with another tips on saving time. Something simple as this. This is aftershave. It contains alcohol. You can use something like that, or you can use shaving gel. Shaving cream in a hot towel, or you can use 70% of so alcohol. Spray it on the towel. Clean your line up. Why am I doing this? I'm washing off the oils and the sweat that could be on their brow. All right. What does it do? How does it make it faster? Because it don't take you no time to do it. So since I'm already done with that, what I do, I go ahead and do my fade while it dries. Well, how does that save me time? Because when I go back to line it up, I don't have to fight that sweat, natural body oil, semen. I said semen. Well, sebum. We are barbers know what I'm talking about. Sebum. Yeah. Y'all know. Look, y'all know I'm cut that out of the video. But yeah, so when you going when it's oily up here or sweaty, it costs you more and more time because you keep going over it more times trying to get it crispy. Going over more times trying to get it crispy. Another one is to spray spritz on it and let the spritz be drying while you're doing the fade. And the spritz also does that same thing. Sometimes make it even crispier. Okay, so that's just another time saving tip. Because you'll find yourself going over and over and over again trying to get it crispy. The whole time your trimmer is fighting against oil and sweat. So I'll see you next time for another tip on being a faster barber.